So it's a little bit earlier in the morning than the vlog usually starts. Are you okay, James? Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, so I don't think I've filmed this early in the day in months, if not years. Anyway, am I running late? Where are you headed? Kaufland or Bila?
I think we're going on Kaufland first.
Okay. Yeah, I need to catch my bus for the field trip. What time is it?
On my phone.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know.
Probably 24 or 25. Oh, hi Jessica. Okay. Bye. Love you. So we looked at Jessica's phone and it said 9:22. We're like, oh, it's probably a couple minutes late. And then I looked at my phone and it was 9:27. I think that's our bus right there.
Nos presenta dos opciones ahí. Pues no importa, tú puedes escribir el Quijote por segunda vez porque no te vale. La situación va a ser.
¿Cuándo es el examen y cuántos convocatorios hay?
Bien, pues aquí voy a empezar a mostraros.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a communist monument, which is why, well, that's part of the reason it's not kept up and there's graffiti all over the place. But there are plenty of things that aren't communist that still aren't taken care of and have graffiti all over them. Yeah, basically any monument that has these really blocky figures and all these weird shapes is probably a communist monument.
That's SOFIA.
Да, няма да се. Чао. Чао. Okay, I'm not sure, but I think that like jewelry shop right there is where we went with Elder Powell to get him a watch one time. I just remembered that was when I'd come back here on vacation. It wasn't when I was a missionary. It was with Elder Powell and Elder Forshee, I think. So wait. Is this a synagogue? This might be a synagogue. Sofia Synagogue. The Jewish Museum of History. Unfortunately, I don't know what any of these buildings are. This is the mosque. And I think it's a pretty old one too. Built in 1576. So this building says it's the Museum of the History of Sofia. So I think this statue right here is Sofia. And these are like ancient Roman ruins or something. I really don't know what any of this stuff is.
In a way, and also
These people don't look Bulgarian. So this church is like from the 11th century. So this hotel right here is where we had the conference with President Nelson. He was here in June, I think. Wait, the end of May. It was right before I went back home. So the end of May last year. This is a casino right here. I think this yellow cobblestone path is pretty famous. You shouldn't quote me on this or anything, but I think this building right here is like the parliament. I think that's where the parliament meets. I think. So I guess this is where the president is. He's got the guards there. That says it's an archaeological museum. I think red license plates like this are for people who work in embassies. And there's a number on them that indicates which embassy it is. Okay, just switch the battery. Yeah, so these are what real Bulgarian pamятniks look like. as opposed to the like weird blocky communist ones. Okay, I've got like 45 minutes before we need to meet back at the Nevsky Cathedral. Lots of pretty flowers here. This is the SOFIA University. Kliment Ochridsky he's the guy who kind of actually made the alphabet. The people who, if we go to the library, I'll show you, Cyril and Methodius, they're the ones who are famous for making the alphabet, but they didn't actually make it, from what I understand. Okay, so this is the library. And these are two brothers, Kirill and Metody. They made what's called the Glagolitic alphabet, I think. Yeah, so you won't be able to see this, but like engraved on the bottom part of that monument, on the top there's the Glagolitic alphabet, and then on the bottom there's the Cyrillic alphabet. So like their students made the Cyrillic alphabet, but named it after Kirill, because they were nice, I guess. I guess they're still considered the fathers of the alphabet or something. You can see Nevsky through the trees there. The National Gallery. Okay, just shooting a time lapse here. It's probably going to come out terrible because the sun's right behind everything, and I don't know how long I want to just sit here. I've got like 25 more minutes, but I thought Jessica said she would be at the church. It's not. Huh. I'll just head home, I guess. Anyway, that was a nice day in Sofia. It's holding up traffic a little bit. Yeah, there didn't seem to be much point in the whole like field trip part. Здравствуй. Subway. There's no subway around here. Ugly.